semua, apa kabar semua? Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty is gonna show you how I usually cook our family's favorite curry prawns, but with a twist. So come, let's join Aunty. So friends, these are the ingredients that I'm gonna use to cook these prawns. So of course the main ingredient is prawns. The prawns are already washed clean. I already deveined. You see, I already deveined. And also I removed the dirty thing from here. So the ingredient that I'm gonna use to cook this prawn, of course, is curry. This is curry powder. And of course, garlic. I have 4 cloves of garlic and 3 pieces of ginger. And these are Holland onion. And the spices, this one is coriander. And I'm using, for a twist of this curry, I'm using Maggi curry powder. This is Maggi curry powder, the instant noodle Maggi curry powder. But I didn't use the noodle, I'm using the curry only. And this one is cumin, 1 tablespoon of cumin. Coriander also 1 tablespoon, and half cubes of tom yum. And besides that, I'm using lemongrass. Okay, stay tuned guys. Come, let's join Aunty. I'm gonna cut this first. Aunty like to do this every time when I use garlic. I like to crush it so that the aroma will be just perfect. And the Holland onion. Okay, and the lemongrass. Okay, let's start the cooking. The oil is hot. Aunty gonna put in all the ingredients: ginger, garlic, Holland onion, lemongrass. As usual, I put a bit of salt to enhance the aroma of all these ingredients. This is Aunty style of cooking. Okay, we add in the prawns. Alright. Auntie is doing this. Add in the curry powder. Seafood curry powder, huh? Cumin, coriander. Okay, add a bit water. A little bit more. And in the tom yum cube, huh? Okay. Woo, nice smell. You see the prawns I deveined, you see, it's open. So let all the sauce will go into the meat. Add a bit of salt, half teaspoon, not too much. I'm gonna add a bit more water. Okay, that's it. Very simple cooking. My family love this. Family's favorite. And the final one, I'm going to add in the Maggi curry powder. This is the noodle Maggi curry powder, but I use the gravy only. I didn't use the noodle. This is the gravy, the curry, Maggi curry gravy. Wow! Whew, the smell marvelous. Do try it, friend, if you never do this before. All right. Marvelous, marvelous. Ooh, nice smell. Okay, let it be for a while. Doesn't have to cook too long to ensure all the gravy is seeped into the prawn. That's it. All right, it's done. See, so simple, very fast, simple and delicious. Mantap. Okay, done. Okay, switch off the flame. That's it. So friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking just now. Curry prawns, and to be eaten with rice. Inside here is rice. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.